nakita ko siya sa Facebook and minessage ko siya. Sabi ko kasi ang ganda naman itong babae na to. Tapos, ayun, nag-hello ako, nag-hide naman siya.
Ngayon, 1 year and 7 months pa lang kami. Dapat pareho kami. Tinanong mo ba siya niyan? Hindi ba? Sa FJ, pasensyoso siya. Matyaga rin. Tapos sobrang ma-effort.
Now I stand by your side. Oh, on our own time.
Love, na-surprise ka ba? Sabi sa pamahiin, kapag niregaluhan ka ng kutsilyo, kailangan mo bayaran yung nagbigay. So, abot ko na lang yung resibo, ma'am. On a serious note, I hope my gift made you happy. May it always remind you that I have your back, no matter what, and root for your success. My Chef Francis.
Nang makatakas na.
Oh! Thank you.
Ganun ba yan?
Oh, shit.
Open mo? Open mo ba?
Wala.
Okay na lang. Hi, love. Sobrang excited na ako makita ka mamaya. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life. Enjoyin lang natin tong araw na ito. Atin ito. See you later. Love you.
Excited na ako makita ka sa wedding natin. And sana ganun ka rin para sa akin. And I love you. See you soon.
Kamukha daw kita ngayon. Congratulations. Hindi, thank you sa lahat. Lahat ng pangaral. Isa sa puso namin yun at gagawin namin ni FJ. My love, I want you to know that I highly appreciate your efforts, time, and love. Kahit LDR tayo, you never made me feel that there's a real distance between us. Truly, your presence in my life is my comfort even from afar.
My dearest Aina, finally, nandito na tayo sa araw na pinakahihintay natin. Sobrang saya ko. Hindi ko akalain na ikakasal ako. Nung una kitang nakita, alam kong ikaw na ang gusto kong makasama habang buhay.
So ito, konting appreciation lang para sa iyo. So ito, para sa paborito kong kapatid na babae.
Parang may choice ka.
Dami. Yun naman, para sa paborito kong pinsan na babae, na anak ni Tito Olan. Ito.
I'm not alone. I'm not alone in this. I'm not alone.
Salamat kasi andiyan kayo palagi nakasuporta sa akin. Hanggang sa araw na ito. I hope kahit may own family na ako, yung closeness natin and yung bonding, nandun pa rin.
Siyempre. And also, I'm always proud of you and I'm always here for you no matter what. Love you!
I promise to stand by you, holding your hand, through everything life brings our way. I vow to always cherish you and treat you with the love and respect you deserve.
Mas lalo pa nung nakilala kita ng boss. While our time together may seem short, and the depth of certainty of my love for you has always felt like a lifetime. This is just the beginning of our forever. I love you.
I love you, Francis June Bass. You are my safe space, my person, my home, and I choose you today and always.